Good morning, dear students. We shall continue to know the oxidation number of some elements. Here, let us calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen in nitric acid. The method is, first of all, write the compound by keeping some space between the atoms which are present in the compound. Now, since the question is calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen, therefore we shall be writing X at the top of nitrogen, and then we shall be writing the oxidation number of all the elements present except the one whose oxidation number is to be found out. Hydrogen has oxidation number +1. I have already told you. Oxygen has oxidation number -2. Now, write the total oxidation number of each element below each element by multiplying the number of atoms of that element with the oxidation number of that element. Here, hydrogen is 1 atom, plus 1 is equal to 1. X into number of atoms of nitrogen 1 is equal to X. Number of atoms of oxygen 3 multiplied the oxidation number of oxygen -2, it becomes -6. Now, equate the sum. Now, sum total of all these oxidation numbers, that is 1 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. Why 0? Because this molecule is a neutral molecule, as I have already told you in the rules. Now, solve the equation to find X. 1 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. X will be equal to plus 0, 6 minus 1 plus 5. Therefore, oxidation number of nitrogen is equal to +5. Thanks for watching.